pilot himself.
Okay, well here we are in Vavuu Atoll. Jean-Louis taking photos of the imminent storm. There is no tornado to be seen yet, but the rain is coming. We do see some blue sky to the whatever direction that is. Here's the tip of the boat looking at our beautiful island with the turquoise water. Yeah, let's say hello. Shall we? Hey. Tuesday. We've survived the rain, the big storm. The boat didn't capsize.
No.
Where are we again? Is this
The Maldives.
the Maldives? 2014. Wow, great summer holiday.
October holiday.
October. Well, it feels like summer because we're in t-shirts. Well, there's the island. Robinson Crusoe has been there apparently.
He snorkeled all around it.
Yeah, snorkeled all around it. And
And
in a few years, apparently the island will no longer be there. There goes Jean-Louis. Don't slip.
Already it's half the size of that.
Yeah. Wow, what a storm cloud this is right here. Pretty amazing. There's some blue sky over there. Here's our boat. Okay, well, soon we're going to get rain now. We're going to have to go back in the boat and watch a movie or play cards. Wow, what a beautiful view. Hey girls, smile for the camera again.
Cheese.
Maldives 2014. Poor Sophia's downstairs.
She's watching Casper.
Yeah, watch out. I'm going to walk around. Casper, yeah. Sorry.
Go down
Here's our surfboards. We haven't used them yet. Okay, what a wonderful vacation. Watch out, this is super slippery here.